Hello friends, so today we are going to see one special kind of draw which is called stalemate. So before we look into the position at chessboard, first of all we will see what is stalemate. Stalemate is one common kind of draw. If a player cannot make any legal move and his king is not in check, see there are two conditions. If a player cannot make any legal move and his king is not in check because of the king is corner and cannot move, but there is no checkmate, in this case the king is called stalemated. So this is kind of stalemate, not checkmate. Here both the players will get half point. Okay, generally when you win you get full point and your opponent gets 0 point, but if you lose you get 0 point, understand? But in this case if there is a draw, both of you will get half point. So let us see how white, in spite of having only one pawn against black's queen, he managed to secure half point. Let's see how. First of all, his pawn is now going to be queen. So it's black's responsibility to stop this pawn from promoting to queen. So he will attack it, he will defend. Okay, the black will attack it, white will defend. So in this way, black king cannot help in this position because it's far away from this pawn. You can see that. And that's the advantage white is having. Now the pawn is pinned. So first of all, king g8, so that now pawn is ready to move and become queen, but black gives it check, so that white is under check, so it has to hide. So he will not go here, otherwise he will put his queen in on king queen. He will put his on f6 square. Then there will be a time for king to come closer to this pawn. So he is giving room for this pawn to be promoted to queen. So again check. Now there is a special trap here by white, because if black queen capture this pawn, there will be a stalemate because king will not have any legal move to move. Okay. So in this case it is a stalemate because king is not attacked, there is no check, and there is no place for king where it can go legally, because king cannot go on the square where it is attacked by the opponent piece. Okay, so queen is attacking these three squares. Queen can go diagonally, queen can go straight. Okay, so there is no secure square for king to move, or there is no legal move for the white king, and there is no check at this corner. In this situation it is called stalemate. Hope you understand the stalemate. For more such videos, please call me on my mobile number 8830290226. Thank you so much.